So here is the all ingredients. So I got a cherry tomato and garlic, dry shrimp, and tamarind. So also got a brown sugar and then almond and some more green bean. So you can also use long slack bean as well, then chili, and I got a fresh lemongrass from my garden. And I got the fish sauce, that's important. I got two different fish sauce. This one is more salty, and this one also fish sauce. So you can have fish sauce, but the plain you can have a look. But this one more tasty and less salty. So let's make it. So I got some more lemongrass, just roughly chop, and the garlic, and I cut the chili just a rough cut. So the chili not really spicy. So I gotta say number 5. So just basically give crush coriander seeds. So now add the dry shrimp. So now you can add the tamarind paste. Plum sugar. Or you can add almond inside, and got a green bean. So green bean you basically don't need cut, just before, and then put in. So just gently. Lemon juice. So now add some fish sauce. So now add some more cherry tomato and also add apple cider vinegar. So a couple of spoons, 3 tablespoons. So mix properly.
I stop.
Yeah. So after 1 hour,